What is up everyone, welcome to today's video. And while today I don't have as much news for you, we're gonna play a game. So many of you have been asking me to do some form of gameplay, and I actually got contacted by a developer of a game that looked really interesting to me. So without any further ado, let's jump straight into the video. So just before we do begin, however, I do have some news for you guys. And these news are actually mostly brought in by you, the community, because you guys love bringing things to my attention that you want me to spread out to the larger community, which is what I love about the VR community. We're all just kind of like, yeah, this is good. So first thing we have is a comment that is on the channel by Pixel Sheep, and it is about a very cool AMVR combo for your Oculus Quest on Amazon, and you can get so many things for just €35. So Pixel Sheep says, there's a combo of the AMVR facial cover, the earmuffs, lens protective spacers, a protective cover for the lenses, and the controller grips for $35.99 on Amazon Germany. For that, I think it's an awesome deal. And to be honest, I agree with you. So I will have a link to that combo down below in case you guys are interested in it, and I'll try and find it on other Amazons as well. Chances are, those are going to be affiliate links, so you don't pay anything extra, but the channel gets a little bit in return. The second piece of news is something that, honestly, for some reason I did not expect. We all know Facebook likes gobbling up studios, Oculus game studios, and just companies that make good games for the Quest that are popular. Well, now they've done it once again. They've gobbled up BigBox VR, and for some reason, I didn't see this one coming. Whether that's a good or a bad thing, I'm not sure. As long as there isn't any layoffs, and as long as some Quest exclusives don't start getting released, I'd say the enormous size of Facebook might do it some good. I don't know though. Let me know what you think about this one down below. BigBox, of course, being the company behind Population 1, our favorite Fortnite Battle Royale VR game. Population 1 is a game that I played quite a bit. I have quite a few hours in it. I even played it with you guys on livestream a few times. So it is a game I really enjoy. They have been adding a lot of things recently, including the seasons, just opening up different map segments and different weapons and things like that, different skins. So it's going to be interesting to see what Facebook does with it, whether it's for the best or for the worst. But I guess that we're going to find out very, very soon. Again, let me know what you think about Facebook gobbling up all these game studios down below. Also, a few days ago, we talked about Valve finally recognizing Australia as being a country it wants to sell the Valve Index to, which, according to me, how old is the Index? I think it's like 2 years? It took them 2 years to sell it to Australia. That's a shame, because again, I know a lot of people that would have loved to buy the Index in Australia, but would have had to like drag it through different courier delivery companies and things like that. That's a massive pain. Well, today morning, I woke up to the Discord once again, giving me more news. Feed My Coins on our Discord has discovered that Aussies are now officially validated by the ACCC to be allowed to get free facial interfaces for the Oculus Quest 2, manufactured before January 4th of 2021. You guys know that big controversy with the Oculus Quest 2, where the facial interface was quite literally giving people reactions on their face. It was not a fun time. Seriously, it ruined some people's gaming experiences in the Quest and just left a bad taste in their mouth. I know some people that actually got a pretty serious allergic reaction to it, like red face, red dots showing up on their face and everything. I don't know how that is possible. I actually got nothing from the official interface except for the fact that it kind of felt like sandpaper, so I switched to the VR cover as soon as I possibly could. But yeah, you guys in Australia that have these reactions to the interface, if you feel it is horrible for you, you can now get a free replacement from Oculus. I'm happy to see Australia getting more and more love from the VR space as we move on. It's about time. Well, now it is time we move on to the gaming content. You guys wanted it, so here it is. Today we're taking a look at throwing punches, and the developer described this to me as kind of like a super hot like kind of game, but then I watched it and it was just so cool. Seriously, basically the premise of the game seems to be you throw your punches, you can slow down time. It might just be my next super hot, because I finished super hot like a bunch times now. Like I finished super hot so many times, and you know, it's fun, it's a great game, but then you're just kind of stuck with like the endless mode, and I still love the game. I still play it in the endless modes and the other modes as well, but it's exciting to have other options, and I feel like, you know what, I'm gonna stop talking. Let's check it out. Okay, so here we are. Time to break something. We've got play, training, how to play. I think we're gonna go in blind. That's always the fun thing. Okay, so make a fist. Throw up. Oh my god. Okay, so this is cool. Okay, so we are essentially throwing. Come here. You're supposed to be able to control it as well, I think. Okay. I saw it in the trailer that you're supposed to be able to control the fist as it's flying, but I'm not sure how to do that just yet. Oh, there we go. Okay. So that is my slow motion timer, I'm going to assume. Okay, so if you go slower, if you throw the punch slower, it's going to go straighter, just like that. If you throw it really hard, it's going to go further, but it's going to be harder to control. But then you can slow down time. So slow down time, A, B, or X. And then you can control the punch as you throw it. Check this out. That is so cool. Okay, that is amazing. That is such a cool mechanic. There we go. Okay, one down, one down. Okay, so the slowing down time mechanic is completely different to Super Hot. But the mechanic of being able to control your fist as it flies through the level is amazing. Yes? 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 Get it? Get it? Because we're throwing punches. Okay, I'm going to dunk these guys this time. So before they even try to shoot me... Yes! Okay, we've cleared the level. I'm getting the hang of it. You do kind of need to get the hang of it, because it is a completely different mechanic. But once you learn to slow down time and control the punch at the same time, you can do some crazy things. For example, let's try and do like an around punch. Uh-oh, that didn't quite work out the way I thought it would. Oh no, you do not do that. There we go. See, I can slow down time, get the punch in the right, like, direction, to go in the right direction, and then let go to speed up time again. Oh, sir. Whoa, sir, that was rude. The thing is, that slowdown timer is getting me... Whoa. Okay, this is very, like, much more fast-paced than Super Hot. You could totally get sweaty doing this. I am loving this, though. Okay. My commentary is not on point here. Hello, sir. And you do have, like, a certain range the fist will go to, of course. Like, you can't just go an infinite amount. Clearing these guys, though. And in Super Hot, what normally happens is when you kill the guy, the bullets disappear. Here, when you kill the guy, the bullets can still get you. And that's what's getting me right now. The fact that the guy is dead, but the bullets still come flying. So I need to learn to duck these bullets. Okay. Oh, this is getting a lot harder. Okay. This is very difficult. However, I am already sweating. Damn, does that mean I'm out of shape? Probably. You know what I'm gonna do, guys? I'm gonna speedrun this. Speedrunning throwing punches, let's go. Shh. Okay, I just hit something. What did I hit? My wardrobe. 4 Quest controller. Guys, please have a larger play space than me when playing this. Oh no. Speedrun, let's go. This time without hitting anything, preferably. Speedrun, let's go. Okay, guys. Guys, I am sweating. But that is insanely fun. I'm gonna talk to you guys about it on the chair. Hashtag small play space gang. That's why you have the VR cover protective thing. That's why. Anyway, guys, that was insanely fun. It's a lot more fast paced than I thought it would be, and that's because you don't have infinite slowdown time, which is what you get in Super Hot essentially, because time only moves when you move. This is not Super Hot, but it is very fun, and it has some really creative, really unique mechanics. The ability of being able to throw your own fist quite literally in VR is something I probably should have seen coming. After all, we've seen some crazy things with hand tracking, with people quite literally like crawling their hand away from their actual hand. That was on Twitter for quite a while there. This is very cool. Do I recommend you play it? Well, I mean, you saw the gameplay. If you enjoy this, you might want to check it out. The link to it, of course, will be down below. It is an App Lab game. It costs $4.99, so it's not a lot. And judging by the amount of levels there, and judging by the amount of exercise that I got just from 2 of them, yeah, guys, I'm stuck on level 2. And also, judging by the email I got from the developer, he is still working on the game. It's not at its final form, which is very exciting. Because if it's already this good at the beginning, I cannot wait to see what's made of it later on. It's incredibly exciting. Thank you so much for sending this over to me and letting me check it out on the channel. You did a fantastic job, and I love the game, and I will be playing it again later on. Also, I realized I have not used my left fist a single time. I don't know, I feel like right is dominant. I don't know. That is going to be it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all have a fantastic day or night. If you guys liked today's video, please leave a like. If you guys disliked it, I guess this button works too, but please tell me why down in the comment section below. If you guys are not yet part of our community, we have a Discord down below, we have a Reddit down below where I would like to see you posting your spicy memes. If you guys would like to support the channel in any way, shape, or form, we've got sick merch down below that doesn't put a huge ad on anybody, and mugs that boost your FPS by 300%. And if you guys want to be notified of your content coming up on the channel, smack that subscribe button if you already my value, and see you in the next video. Peace.